Good morning, students. Wishing you a day full of joyful moments. Student, in the previous video, we discussed about different types of farming and cropping pattern. Today, we will discuss about major crops. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of country depending upon the variation in soil, climate and cultivation practices. We are having four major type of crops. Number 1, food crops. Number 2, food crops other than grains. Number 3, horticulture crops. Number 4, beverage crops. Let's start with the food crops. In food crops, we are having varieties of food crops such as rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses. Let's start with the first one, rice. Rice is a kharif crop. It is a staple food crop of majority of people in India. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall above 100 centimeter. It is cultivated in northeast coastal area, Punjab and parts of Rajasthan. It is a staple food of majority of people. Now move to the second food crop, that is wheat. It is a rabi crop and second most important cereal crop. It is main food crop in northwestern part of country. It is also found in Ganga Satluj in the northwest and black soil regions of Deccan. Major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, etc. It requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall. Now start with the maize. It is used both as food and fodder purpose. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. It grows well in old alluvial soil. Maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, etc. Now pulses. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses. There are main pulses crops grown very rich in protein. Major pulses grown in India are urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Major pulsing producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, etc. Now let's discuss about millets. Jowar, bajra, ragi are the important millets grown in India. Now start with the first one, jowar. It is rain-fed crop. Largest producer is Maharashtra. Other producers are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra. It grows well in sandy swamps and shallow black soil. Largest producer is Rajasthan. Other producers are Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat. Ragi. Ragi is a crop of dry region. It grows well in red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soils. Largest producer is Karnataka. Other producers are Tamil Nadu, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, etc. Now, second one is food crop other than grains. Under this, we will discuss about the two. Number 1, sugarcane. Number 2, oilseeds. First, sugarcane. It is tropical and subtropical crop. It requires 21 to 27 degrees Celsius temperature, hot and humid climate, 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall. India is the second largest producer after Brazil. It is sown for sugar, gur, jaggery, khansari, etc. It needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. Major producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, etc. Now, oilseeds. India is the largest producer of oilseeds in the world. Main oilseeds produced in India are groundnut, coconut, soybean, mustard, castor seed, linseed and sunflower. Most of oilseeds are edible and used as cooking mediums. Some of these are also used as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics, etc. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Karnataka. Now, third major crop, beverage crops. Number 1, tea. Tea is an important beverage crop introduced in India initially by the Britishers. India is a leading producer as well as exporter of tea. It needs warm and moist-free climate throughout the year. It grows in deep, fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus. It requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. Major tea producing states are Assam, hills of Darjeeling, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Meghalaya. Now, coffee. In 2014, India produced 3.5% of the world coffee production. India's coffee is known in the world for its good quality. It is grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Now, move to the fourth major crop, horticulture crops. A branch of agriculture in which fruits and vegetables are grown is called horticulture. India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. India produces about 13% of world's vegetables, such as pea, cauliflower, onion, tomato, brinjal, potato. India produces tropical and temperate fruits such as mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges of Nagpur and Meghalaya. Bananas of Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra. Lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, etc. Pineapple of Meghalaya. Grapes of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Apples, pears, apricots, walnuts of Jammu Kashmir and Himachal are in great demand. So students, it was all about different type of crops. That's all for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.